What's up, guys? It's Nathan from NK Transportation Services here at NK Transportation Headquarters. I wanted to start a little video series on this little gem I found. It was a 2004 Tahoe. Found it on Marketplace for a steal. Couldn't say no, so I had to go get it. I'm a sucker for an old Chevy. Now, I originally had bought it as a donor for my Suburban, but it ran and drove so good that I think I'm gonna end up fixing it up. So I'm gonna do a little video series on it. And the reason I'm starting the series is because I got to looking around on the inside at the smell that I was smelling. I found that some mice had been up to no good. They had moved in. The guy said it had been sitting for a couple of years out in the middle of nowhere in Indiana. So field mouse set in, set up shop. What triggered me to it was I popped the hood, checking the fluids, and could tell we had some mice activity. So I'm gonna start a video series on this Tahoe, stripping the interior down, checking all the wiring, probably have to pull the dash out. I've already started on it. I've got all the side panels off, back seats out. Getting ready to take the front seats and center console out. This headliner, I had found that the mice had crawled in my rear HVAC, went up through the ductwork, and had been up in the vents like a playground, I reckon. Only damage I found so far outside of the carpet was these little wires here on the back door. I don't know if it'll zoom in. We got some exposed wires there. That may not have been mice. That may just be wear and tear from the door opening. There's the hose for the rear wiper sprayer. So I'm gonna start a little video series on this, maybe do some time lapse. Then y'all comment down below, let me know what you want to see happen out of this truck. Any questions you got about it. Here at NK, we will tear down just about anything, including mice infestations. We'll get it all cleaned out and detailed and fix any issues you got. Mice, pretty rough on a vehicle, especially as far as wiring goes. They really like to chew on wires for some reason. Doesn't seem like it's got any major electrical issues, but there are little ticks here and there, little electrical bugs it's got, so maybe we'll run into some electrical stuff. And I'm sure it doesn't help that they were on the main fuse panel up here. I had originally bought this Tahoe as a donor for my Suburban. I fully intended on just going up there and buying this. Said it ran and drove, but I was like, yeah, whatever. Said it ran and drove, so I was like, all right, well, take the transmission, different things out of it, put it in my Suburban. But man, it just runs and drives so good. Starts right up, 340,000 miles, I believe. But only bad part to it is this interior. It's just nasty, nasty. Said it's set for 2 years. I think may have been a little longer than that. But I mean, just fires right up. Just takes off down the road, shifts smooth. Engine's quiet. It's purrs. All factory, it hadn't been messed with. Still got the factory exhaust on it. So I'm gonna do a little video series on this truck. Just stay tuned if you're interested in this kind of stuff. And again, we offer all these kinds of services, any kind of repair for mice damage, or really we do bumper to bumper repair. So holler at me if you need some kind of work done on your vehicle. And stay tuned, we'll see what happens. See ya.